I would like an egg and tomatoes on white sandwich bread with orange juice.
The course comprises 20 hours of lectures, seminars, and tutorials per week.
The author expressed a view that modern readers invariably cannot accept.
Students are so scared of writing essays because they have never learned how.
Sport is the main cause of traumatic brain injury in the United States.